Here's how to delete your search history on YouTube. It's quite easy to do, so make sure you watch the full video and don't skip any important steps. For this, first you will need to open your YouTube app and then sign into your account. Then tap on this little profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now tap on this gear icon and tap on the manage all history option. After that, select your account. Now you will be redirected to this page. To delete your search history, tap on this cross icon next to it. After that, to confirm, tap on the delete option. Once you confirm your action, your search history will be deleted. Now tap on the OK. However, if you want to delete your entire search history on YouTube, tap on this delete option. Now tap on the delete today if you want to delete your recent search history, or if you want to select a specific time frame, you can also do that. Here just you have to enter your date and year, then tap on the delete option. Or if you want to delete all of your search history, tap on the delete all data. Then to confirm, tap on the delete option here. Once you tap on the delete option, now your all search history on YouTube will be deleted. This will also clear your watch history on YouTube. So this was how to delete your search history on YouTube.